Sneaking in on Lee's Ford Red. Coming in here. We're trying to do some things here. We're not only trying to build motors, but we're trying to make them look as good as they're going to be in the end result. So this is a Ford Red. Most people don't get in here and start doing the stuff inside of this tunnel. I did lay down a little bit of primer, a little bit of enamel, just to keep it protected for over the years. Nothing crazy because nobody's ever going to see that. But as far as everything else, we got it all coated really nice, evenly all the way around, especially the front of the block. Still have a clear to put down on it and keep it protected. Lee, this build is going to be crazy.